Namaskar, welcome back. I am your host Narayankar. Friends, in this video, I will talk about CAA and how it has helped the BJP politically and also electorally. And unfortunately, this has not been talked about much, and I do not know why it is so. Nevertheless, you remember the Pidhi media had written that the anger against CAA would bring down the BJP government in Bihar and Assam. And also BJP will not be able to win West Bengal election. But we saw the opposite in Bihar. In fact, BJP became the single largest party in the state. This is because of anti-CAA protests and violence carried out by a special community has in fact consolidated the Hindu votes. And this is not being talked about by the Pidhi media. They would have certainly spoken about it if the BJP would have lost Bihar. However, in the post-election result analysis they wrote, they argued that it was due to polarization politics of the BJP it could win the elections in Bihar. Well, that is their perception. But I call not polarization, but consolidation of the Hindu votes, because the violence perpetrated by the special community against Hindus all over the country had exposed the community's hate against the Hindus. So naturally, this violence galvanized the Hindus to consolidate, to deny power to those parties like Congress, TMC, Left, RJD and others. So the catchword here is not polarization but consolidation of Hindu votes. These Pidhi journalists talk about consolidation if Muslim population are the victims, but mention polarization when Hindus face atrocities. Let me be very clear. In West Bengal too, the CAA issue has consolidated the Hindu votes. Just look at the people fearlessly chanting Jai Shri Ram even in the presence of Mamta Banerjee, which a few months back it was an impossibility. We all remember how Mamta Banerjee stopped her car, climbed down and inquired who was chanting Jai Shri Ram as she passed by. Now the things have changed. The people are fearless, and that is because they have realized that they will not be safe under the politics of Muslim appeasement played by Mamta Banerjee. And look at Mamta Banerjee herself talking about her Hindu religion, Gotra and caste in rallies. This shows that she has done a mistake by rallying behind Muslims during anti-CAA protests. Bengalis think that she is pro-Muslim and anti-Hindu, and that is why you also see Mamta Banerjee chanting mantras, invoking Ma Durga's blessings just to woo and attract the Hindus. And in Assam, BJP's Himanta Biswa Sarma has led a very successful campaign which has turned around the perception of CAA among Assamese. He educated the masses about CAA and explained to them that fears about Assam being swamped by Bengali Hindu migrants from Bangladesh was completely unfounded. On the flip side, it were the illegal M community migrants from Bangladesh, more in number, staying in Assam. So, Himanta Biswa Sarma changed the whole perception of CAA among the Assamese. So, to sum it up, anti-CAA protests and CAA issue has consolidated the Hindus and helped BJP become the largest party in Bihar, and it is playing its role in West Bengal and Assam elections too. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram.